Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and here's a quick unboxing of the new Moto G8 Plus. The Moto G8 Plus was announced earlier this month and it's a new budget offering from Motorola. Seems like a pretty decent device, I'm excited to try it out, but first here's a quick unboxing just so you guys know what you get in that box. Alright, it's your pretty usual Motorola box for the G8 Plus. Slight picture of the phone at the back, can't really see much about it. Let's open it up. So on the side of the box, you'll see that they highlight some of the key features. There's a 48 megapixel sensor, there's a 25 megapixel plus quad pixel arrangement, there's an ultra wide angle camera as well, and there's stereo speakers tuned by Dolby. All right. So you take it out of the box, that's the G8 Plus right there. Pretty interesting color, kind of a little subtle compared to most of the loud competition options out there. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to check this out over the next couple of days. All right, I'm just gonna keep this here to switch on. All right, what else do we have apart from that? Let's see. You have a case. All right, so I do like it when you get a case in the box. So yeah, you have your usual inbox case, which seems pretty nice. Just gonna put this here. Apart from that, you have the usual quick start guide on how to use your new Motorola phone. And then you have the usual warranty and legal information. And you have the charging adapter right there. Doesn't seem to be anything especially unique about it. It's normal turbo power Motorola charger right there. And then lastly, you have the USB Type-C charging cable. Yeah, pretty much your usual inbox contents. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the Motorola G8 Plus. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Moto G8 Plus. As always, if you guys have any questions about this phone, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button right below or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys and I'll catch you in the next one.